Hi, welcome to the NEB booth in 2022. My name is Nico Lewis, and after 3 years not having a show, I'm very excited to be here in Las Vegas to show you something brand new, additional to something that we have already for a couple of years. You know, remember we launched the ODIN Intercom Matrix to you in 2017, and in 2018 we announced the RVON technology, and nowadays we can also do redundancy on the ODIN. So not what I explained in a lot of videos to you, the overlapping of ODINs to spread with port allocation the port. No, it's an N plus N or an N plus 1 redundancy of the ODIN. How does it work? It's quite simple. Here we have an interlink connection of 4 ODINs, plus we have an standby ODIN here, and the standby ODIN is waiting until one of the other ODINs go down, drop down, or disconnect. I can demonstrate it to you. This is ODIN 1, ODIN 2, ODIN 3, ODIN 4, and the standby is written down here. If I, for instance, turn off, let's do it this way, the ODIN 2, and the cool thing is that the standby ODIN, everybody gets a signal. There's an interlink failure. Let's get the failure out. And then you see ODIN 1, that one is off, ODIN 3, ODIN 4, hey. And the standby ODIN is now ODIN 2. So this one took over all the IP settings of this ODIN that I turned off. So it's N plus 1 solution. That is also an N plus N solution, so I can have 1, 2, 3, up to 8 standby ODINs in the IFL connected in the
Sorry,